with the fucking ricer. Yo, what are we doing? What are we doing?
I just wanna make a quick disclaimer. Come here. So we're about to get a lot of shit for this motor. If that exhaust isn't low enough, once I fill up this car with all this shit, it's gonna be low enough to fucking straight.
What are we doing at Harbor Freight, bro?
Buying some tools to break them.
We're buying some tools for the Honda build, so let's go. She's mad.
Buying the tools to break it.
Buying the tools to break them. Let's go.
What?
Her face says it all. All right, so today we start the tear down. She had to get some Chinese food, so she spilled herself. Got some Chinese food. What did you get?
Lo mein and sesame seeds.
Chicken lo mein. And that's sesame seeds?
Yeah.
Sesame seed chicken. She got chicken lo mein over there. Right? Chicken lo mein? And then she got me some fried dumplings.
So much fat ass over here.
Yeah, what's wrong with that? And then Isaac's over there. We got him some fucking fried rice. So we're about to start. We're about to start this tear down. The Honda's in position. We got the tarp down. Now we got to get everything else ready. I also have another tarp to go over the car, but I don't know if we're gonna do that yet. And then I gotta lay down all this cardboard. And then we're gonna get to the rest of the stuff. Low car problems. We just brought that brand new Daytona Harbor Freight jack. Fucking boy is being held down with zip ties. Get him. Going over there.
Oh, you know, putting together my first engine stand.
Make sure you do it right.
Nope. But you know why Harbor Freight has such good warranties?
Why?
They know their shit sucks.
Yeah. How's the build quality?
Yeah, it's like Legos.
Well, it's only 1,000 pounds, and I don't think this engine's like even half of that. So,
well, maybe take apart the pump.
I doubt this engine's 500 pounds.
Probably not.
I've seen one person carry this engine.
Yeah, there's fucking shit in here. I can't wait for all this shit.
Fucking rained out. Oh man, so this is our current setup that we have going on here. So we could build this freaking motor, as you can see. And then we have our little doorway. Woo. Take you into our garage here. So in typical Sleeper's Garage fashion, we are doing things the most ghettoest way possible in the most horrible weather, because we always have to work in the most horrible weather, you know.
I forgot the pliers.
So right now, boy just drained all the coolant out so we could take this radiator. I didn't want to film too much, but now we have a lot of stuff to tear down, so we're gonna get into that right now. But I just wanted to update you guys on this garage setup. Handy light. I was gonna buy the big light, but it was 50 bucks. I didn't feel like spending 50 bucks. Isaac found out that one of my fuel injectors are pretty much done, which is cool because I bought new fuel injectors. I got the.
But it's pretty insane that it rode so well for not really well, but it rode all right for
three injectors. It rode pretty good for
three injectors. I mean,
for 3 injectors, but I got bigger injectors coming, and now I know why my car was stalling at certain points and not getting enough fuel at certain points. So that explains a lot.
I don't know where that goes down to.
Injector plugs.
Oh, yeah, there's more fuel.
A little bit of gas coming
I'm
out.
gonna just dump that into the coolant since we're not using that again.
Dump some gas in the coolant, you know, whatever.
So you said you have a whole new rail and just injectors?
No, just injectors. We're keeping that rail. Keeping that stock rail unless I get some money donated enough to buy a rail.
Yeah. Take a closer look at that.
That's fucked.
This is injector 1, 2, 4.
Yeah, injector 4 is fucked. Whatever. Also got some engine degreaser so we can clean this bad boy up before we start building it. We also have a long way to go.
Yeah, I mean, we just started.
Yeah.
Making progress.
Fucking update. We needed a tool to open the tool, but we finally got a pair of pliers. We didn't have any pliers.
Update. He has the best friend ever.
Yep. Buddy over here fucking took the whole manifold off. intakes off. Got a lot done today.
Yep. All just to get this thing ready for.
And then now we need to get all the hoses out.
All the hoses and wiring, and then we'll get fucking tools to get the axles off, bearings off.
Oh, I forgot that. Oh man, you should have reminded me.
Well,
I was right there.
another day, not no day.
Yeah, and then I guess tomorrow we'll do it. Cause that's
tomorrow. We'll just fucking show myself.
tomorrow should be quick though. Just drop the axles.
Oh, you don't have a fucking cherry picker.
It's alright.
It's alright, he says.
We got an engine stand. It's good enough.
Yeah, but how the fuck? I mean, to get the motor off is one thing, but then to pick it up and put it on the engine stand?
No, all we gotta do is lift the car up more. If this isn't enough.
Let's clean up. Oh, actually, update. So basically everything's ready to go. Just motor mounts, axles, and wheel bearings. We got exhaust, intake, all the wiring off, all the hoses off, all the clutch lines off, AC lines is off, power steering lines. Pretty much the last thing that they do, but no, we don't need it. But just pretty much ready to go. Ready to drop it tomorrow. If we really, feel like doing that. Because I'm lazy.
Tomorrow, all we gotta do is come and do the axles. Take the axles out and put a jack under here. Drop the motor mounts. Engine should come right out. And I think we have more than enough room to snake it out that side right there. But if not, we'll just lift the front up more and then we'll be alright.
Yeah, we'll basically put the motor on like a jack stand. We'll lift the car. My plan, we don't know how it's gonna happen yet. Either drop the motor, bring it out from the front, or drop the motor a little bit on jack stands, carry the car up and over it. But we'll see.
Yeah, we'll figure it out tomorrow.
We'll see. We got a lot done today, though.
Tonight we're done, and we start again tomorrow.
It's a lot.
Hell yeah! Time to go eat some dinner.
Go fast. Let's go.
Wash your dirty ass hands. Holy shit!
And I got a fucking piece of metal in my finger and it's bleeding from under my nail.
Ah, fuck that.
Ugh. All right, let's just fucking.
Goose.
All right, breaking out the breaker bar.
Breaker bar. Jesus Christ.
Oh, all that little clay I got.
Fucking bitch.
It's like the flap. It's like, hey, tie me up, man.
Let's go. Get going here.
You gotta go over here. Over there. Alright, you still want to drain the oil? We have no filter. Well, actually, no, we got that piece off. Let's put the filter on just for now so it doesn't leak.
Okay.
Bruh.
Stick it on there.
Stick it on there. Not like this thing has oil anyway. Which it doesn't.
Where's she at, though?
Where's one at?
Scaring me over here.
You made me.
So my buddies did it. I left to go get a fucking pickle joint, pickle fork, fucking piece of shit. I left to go get that for these damn ball joints right here because we're gonna take out the whole axles and all that shit. So I come back and they got it out. They went to go get drinks right now, so I'm just chilling right here. I just got back. The fucking whole motor's out with the transmission. So update, what do we do, Isaac?
Broke our backs, pinched our fingers,
Probably busted a nut.
busted a nut.
Okay, work-wise, what do we do, Isaac?
We got the motor finally in the fucking shed ready to be rebuilt. After fucking finessing with the fucking drive shaft.
Axles are still in there.
But the motor's out. For one
Motor's
weekend,
out.
we got a lot done.
Hell yeah, one weekend the motor's out. My car's sitting on the fucking tire right now. Rest in peace to my fender. And then I guess we'll figure this one out when we come back. So Wednesday.
I don't remember my car squatting that much.